Hello everyone. Alright, so the website of the day is explainshell.com. Alright, so this website helps you describe your commands and options that you use in the shell. So for example, if I type in ls and I hit enter or I click on explain, this website basically describes what ls does and uses a line to point to the description. I can add options to this. I could do ls space dash a, for example, hit enter or click on explain, and it uses a line to point to the description of each of them. So here's a description for the command. It tells me that ls lists the directory contents. If I hover over the description or the command, it kind of zones in or like focuses on just that description, and if I hover over the option, it does the same. I can go ahead and add more options. So I can do ls-alh1 and hit enter, and it does the same thing. It separates out the command, and these are the descriptions for each of the options. So it's pretty cool. I use it to just find out what option or command something is. So you should definitely take advantage and use it as well. It's the same thing as your man pages. You can actually see over here that the source is pretty much the man pages, and over here it's telling you it's ls. If I click on it, it takes me to the manuals. So it's pretty much the same. It's exactly what you get when you type in man and then the name of the command and option, or the name of the command in your terminal. So I'm going to go back to it, but definitely use it to your advantage. It's a nice way to learn and a fun way as well. Pretty cool. If you don't like the brightness of this, you can change the theme. That was my friend. Change the theme to dark, and if this is something that you like, that's great. All right, so explain the shell. There you go. If you have any questions, please post down below and I'll do everything to respond to them. Thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time in the next video. All right then, bye bye.